Good morning. Here we are, gloves on, coat on, it's raining. We've only just rocked up. It is 11 o'clock, so every time I say 8 o'clock sharp, depends if it's raining. No, we picked up a few things this morning. We set off at about 9, half 9, something like that. Just waiting for the weather to start itself out, see what it's doing. But it's just drizzling. It sounds so much worse when you're in conservatory and it's going and all it is drizzling. So yeah, we'll come down. We might be here for an hour, might be here for 2 hours. It's all right as it stands, so we're looking all right. So they've prepping to start laying, and I'm gonna put this footing in down this end. I'm gonna leap wall just in case it does wreck later on this afternoon. But let's just take today as it comes. There's always stuff to do, isn't there? So see you soon. Just done 2 rocks, smashed them to pieces. Yeah. Got to turn the hard one down, like.
It's mental, isn't it?
Some of them just flat, some of them not.
As soon as you put it in, it's right out the crumble, but otherwise you have to put about 20 holes in it.
So we just had the biggest shower ever, the heaviest shower. So where we are so far is, put quite a few flags down to be fair, not really a lot. But to say that we won't come in today, half a day is half a day, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. This here, where are we? Move my arm. Little draining rod there, absolutely pointless, probably never been used, ever been used. And all it is you've got your downpipes and then your kitchen utilities here, and it'll be connected to one of them, either your waste, might have a toilet there, either your waste or your downpipes. Can't imagine it being downpipes. And all it is if it's blocked, you can go in there, stick a rod through, camera through, whatever they've got to do, that's it. Who does that? When do you need that? You know what I mean? It's in the middle of frigging patio. Yeah, it's annoying. But yes, you're gonna call it a draw now. We're gonna call it a draw. So I've done the footing over there, put the board over it, so we can't. Obviously, don't get wrecked if it just rains all night. But yes, I'm gonna have a little chat with you in the van. I'm gonna drop lads off. It's got a bit of running around to do on my home. Thursdays, we always run out of food on a Thursday. Kids normally eat us out of food, even though that's what you bite for to eat, but the kids take the piss out of us. Anyway, less of that morning. Go have a chat with you in the van, either when I get home or on the way home. We'll see what traffic's like. But catch you in half an hour. Right, I'm home. It's so sunny now. We've had a shower. It's rained most of the way home, to be fair, so we've done the right thing in leaving. Obviously, we were laying bit of hardcore on back at van. We're going to barrow it in, but tomorrow we'll eat wall. So where the hardcore needs to go, then I think there's like 20 blocks there. They're going to be put on wall, so then it's easier for Tyler to bring the hardcore in. So there's only 2 of us tomorrow, which is nice for a Friday. Tom's just told me I'm off up Ben Nevis. I'm like, Scotland? He went, yeah. I was like, mate, it's bloody wild up there. I keep looking at Scotland because there's obviously my surname's Hope. There's Ben Hope and a Loch Hope right at the top, really at the top coast. And I just watch weather 10 days all the time, because then I think, I'm gonna go. But yeah, I've been watching it and I'm like, but they're going up. They're camping as well. Exactly that. I'm a hotel baby, me. No matter what, hotel. And I'm a bit snobby on my hotel as well, especially with our lass. So we don't like to stay in a squat, if you like. But no, I wanted to have a chat with you about like this weather. Like this morning, we sat there and I was like, I text Tom at 7. What's your thoughts? And then everything I looked at, we're all changing. And then I was like, right, I'll pick you up at 9. And then I got in van and everyone was going, it's going to rain at 10. It's going to rain at 12. It's going to rain at this. Anyway, it didn't. So to me, these weather apps, they're all right as a guide, but you can't do our job running by a weather app. Like we've done all right. We've done half a day. So I'm happy with it. Better than being sat at home. But we run by a diary. We never did. We always blagged his way through life, like, yeah, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 5 weeks, whatever. But now we run by a diary, which quite a lot of people think. I've just booked someone in today. A small job in between a job, 18th of July. Will it happen? Who knows? Days like this postpones you like hell. So we're supposed to be working Saturday. We're not now because of weather once again. So that'll go into Monday morning on the way into the current job that we're on. And stuff like that. Life happens, doesn't it? You know what I mean? I think I'm due a day off soon. Got an area right on my eye. I'm due a day off soon. So stuff like that. You try and jiggle it and do what you got to do. But I'm just about to sign up for a new course, which has cost a lot of money. But that is going to show me how to run a business. Like I work for myself. Got 2 lads, and I know how to do that, but running it, like not getting me hands mucky. Don't know. We'll see if it works out. Well, I want it to work out, let's put it that way. But it doesn't run. Like, so many times I used to ring my uncle up. Yeah, we're delayed. Yeah, we do this. Yeah, I can't do this. Yeah, I can't do that. And he'd go effing and jeffing and throw his phone about and do whatever. And that's the approach that I know. So this course is going to teach me how to be nice about it, I think, by the sounds of it. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date on that as we go on. But yeah, just for you guys, I've had a couple of customers off YouTube now, and everyone is on here. They see how busy I am. They see that I'm getting delayed. They see this. But that's a reality of, you were supposed to be here last Tuesday, except, you know what I mean? It's just what you do. But yeah, so I wanted to chat about basically. Life happens. I always say that, don't I? Life happens, and weather is crap, especially here in Yorkshire. I don't know what you guys are like down in Kent, where you've got like European tropics and that. Not up here. So we wet. But yes, we are back at it tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Building a wall and bringing the hardcore in and just prepping. So yeah, have a good day, guys. And I will see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock sharp.